Lena had always dreamed of becoming a dancer. From the moment she saw her first ballet performance as a little girl, she knew her heart belonged on stage. But life had other plans. Her family struggled financially, and dance lessons were a luxury they couldn't afford. Years passed, and Lena buried her dream, taking a steady office job to make ends meet. Yet, every time she heard music, her feet tapped, and her soul ached for what could have been. One day, she saw a flyer for a community dance class with a bold headline: "It's never too late to chase your passion." Her heart raced. What if I tried? With shaky hands, she signed up. The first class was humbling. Her body wasn't as flexible as it once was, and she stumbled often. But with each session, she grew stronger. Months later, her instructor encouraged her to audition for a local theater production. Terrified but determined, Lena gave it her all and landed a role. On opening night, as the spotlight warmed her face and the music swelled, she realized the power of pursuing her dream. It wasn't about fame or perfection, it was about honoring the fire inside her. The audience erupted in applause, but the loudest cheer came from within. Lena had proven that dreams don't expire, they wait for you to find the courage to begin. Moral of the story: it's never too late to chase what sets your heart on fire. The only true failure is abandoning the dream without trying. Right now, thank you for watching. See you in next video. Take care, stay happy,